Listed agricultural firm Sasini Tea skipped a final dividend for the year ended September 2022 on the back of the need to strengthen its capital buffers amidst rising global risks. Brian George now looks at the latest development around the company and how it is diversifying its focus from Europe to Asia to prop up their revenues.
In 2022, Sasini Tea paid at an interim dividend of 1 shilling per share, translating to a total payout of 228 million shillings. Whereas shareholders were hoping for another payout at the end of the year as final dividend, amidst the firm doubling profits, the company opted not to pay out the same. Sasini Tea says shocks in the foreign exchange environment necessitated abundance of caution in the outlook.
The Kenya shilling has actually depreciated against the dollar in the last 18 months, but it's actually depreciated less than the euro. As you know, the euro is a currency which is used by 26 European countries.
Sasini is now considering ramping up supply to the Eastern Asia continent as a key market for black tea, whose prices have continued to stay stable despite market dynamics. But that's not all. The recent tax policy amendment on capital gains may rattle investors' purchasing power and interest of the firm at the bows.
I think the biggest advantage on the stock exchange is that these shares, the trading of the shares of listed companies doesn't attract CGT at the moment. Okay, so it shouldn't affect the activity going on. So it wouldn't really affect the company as such. It will affect the individuals. But of course, CGT will impact any acquisitions or sales or things like that.
The 71-year-old listed agriculture firm smashed its target set 3 years ago to post a net profit of 1.168 billion Kenya shillings, a 150% jump compared to the preceding year. The board approved 1 shilling payout to each shareholder, closing the Thursday trading session at the Nairobi Securities Exchange at 21 shillings per share. Brian George, NTV, Nairobi.